Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If Donald drives at 3/4 of his usual speed, he covers a certain distance in 3 hours more than the time he takes while driving at his usual speed. Find the time taken by him to cover this distance with his usual speed. Now we know we can find speed by using this relation, speed is equal to distance upon time. Now let us assume x kilometers per hour as his usual speed, and let us assume time t is the time tr is the time he requires to cover d kilometer distance. So we can say that x is equal to d by t. Therefore, d is equal to x into t. Let us name this as equation 1. Now what we have here is that if he drives at 3/4 of his usual speed, so according to condition given in question, what we have here, given at 3x by 4 kilometer per hour, he covers the same distance in 3 hours more than the time he takes while driving at his usual speed. So at this speed he takes t plus 3 hours to cover d kilometers. So we can form the equation by 3x by 4 is equal to d upon t plus 3. Now let's find value of d from this particular relation. We get d, therefore d is equal to 3x by 4 multiplied by t plus 3. So we get d is equal to 3xt upon 4 plus 9x upon 4. Now let us equate d from both equation 1 and 2. Equating d from equation 1 and 2, what we get, xt is equal to 3xt by 4 plus 9x by 4. So we can take this 4 from denominator common out of this right hand side, and we get xt is equal to let's see, 1 by 4 common out, so 3xt plus 9x. So what we have here, we can take this 4 over here on the left hand side, so we get 4xt is equal to 3xt plus 9x. So we can take this xt term over here on left hand side because it is like term with 4xt. So we get 4xt minus 3xt equal to 9x. Now these two get subtracted and we get xt is equal to 9x. X gets cancelled out and we get t is equal to 9 hours. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option A.